Hi, my name is Michael Ularic. I'm the head of design at Potential Motors. We're here at Overland Expo East in beautiful Virginia, and we're at the world debut of the Adventure One. This is an all-electric, ground-up design adventure camper van, and we're really proud to show it to you all. Let's go around, take a look inside. It's classified as a UTV, but unlike most vehicles in this category, we've engineered it and designed it to an automotive standard. So we have proper automotive safety glass, wipers, washers, doors with rubber seals, and as you can see, we got a couple of fun features like these doors that open upwards. It provides a nice shaded awning or protection from a light rain, allows you to expand the space to the outside. The middle seats, they come out without tools. You can just pull them out with a pull of the cord. And they're made of a really tough, durable material so that they can be hosed down if they get dirty. They're very, very robust, but they also make very comfortable camping chairs. When they're installed in the vehicle, 2 people up front, 2 people in the back, seats 4 with proper seat belts and harnesses. And inside you can deploy this beautiful full-size bed for 2 people to have a wonderful night's sleep once you get to your adventure location. Everything is designed for durability and ease of use. So we got marine grade wood so you can hose that right out if you're camping, hunting, or fishing. There's a ladder built into the design so that you can access the roof storage bin. It's really, really big. There's enough room up there for almost 300 pounds worth of stuff. And if you come around the back, you'll see our custom Egoe kitchen. Egoe is our partner, manufacturer of these beautiful Nest kitchen and bed units. And you have a 2-burner gas stove, a sink, a refrigerator, and actually you have a terrific view of what your morning experience could be once you get to that perfect remote lake or desert landscape. It's a super versatile platform, so we have designed and engineered this from scratch to be safe, versatile, and extremely fun to use. So this whole unit with the bed and the kitchen can be removed without any specialized tools by 2 people in 5 minutes, making this cavernous space your opportunity. You could put inside a giant motorcycle or 2 dirt bikes or whatever equipment or people or dogs that you want to bring with you on your overlanding and camping adventure. It's all electric and it has 100 miles of off-road range, which is enough to get you to a lot of places and back. If you're at your campsite and you've set up your camp, you can stay off-grid for weeks and recharge using a propane generator, which then you plug back into the battery to recharge the battery. It's 2 motors, 4-wheel drive, 12.5 inches of ground clearance, 11 inches of suspension travel, and a completely flat floor. So with an approach angle of 45 degrees and a departure angle of 40, this can go anywhere a Jeep Wrangler can, and actually a little bit more because it's much narrower and lighter. Total weight is just under 4,000 pounds, including the battery. We're expecting the vehicle production to begin in 2025, and we're taking pre-orders right now for $1,000, which is fully refundable. We made the vehicle as compact as possible on the outside so that you have as much opportunity inside. So this is a cab-over design, something that is very common in other parts of the world, but not so much here in North America. By putting the driver and front passenger ahead of the front wheels, the end of the vehicle is the end of the windscreen. It's an amazing panoramic view. If you're off-road, you're wiggling between trees around rocks, there's no guessing where's the wheel. The wheel's under you. So if you can see trail, you're in good shape. And best of all, it frees up all that space. So this relatively compact vehicle on the outside has this huge amount of space on the inside for all kinds of adventures. The Adventure One is really in a class of its own. So there are a lot of options for adventure out there. People convert pickup trucks and cargo vans, things like Sprinters, and those are fine, those are fantastic, but they are conversions. This vehicle was designed from a blank sheet of paper from the ground up for this mission, and that is to make overlanding and off-road camping accessible to anybody. And part of accessibility is making something without compromise. There are very few compromises in the Adventure One because we started with a blank sheet. So we're very, very proud of this design. We hope you find it exciting too. The retail price is $136,000, and that includes everything you see here.